Hello friends, welcome to estimation costing training program. Today we learn RCC typical floor column quantity takeoff. The content is key element for setting up the Excel format for typical floor column quantity takeoff. Quick walkthrough of key data entry points. My commitment: convert the Excel format of stub column quantity takeoff to a typical floor RCC column and perform the quantity takeoff in 5 minutes. Please refer my previous video for detailed quantity takeoff, RCC stub column, practically an easy way to perform quantity takeoff for stub column with Excel. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. Use a PC or laptop for better detailing and clarity. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hello friends, today our focus will be on the quantity takeoff for typical floor columns. In a previous video, we discussed the quantity takeoff for stub columns using the same Excel format. Now let's move on to taking of quantities for a typical floor columns. You can either move or copy the existing file to create a new one. Our motto: acknowledge that many civil engineers face Excel formatting challenges when conducting quantity takeoffs for both office and on-site tasks. Let's collaborate to address these issues. This is our previous stub column quantity takeoff sheet. Required data for floor to floor height, grade slab top to upper slab level. Now here required one lap also. Previous list for stub column not required lap length, that's why we give here 0 or 36. We consider here slab level to grade slab top is the 3.5 meter at the 3.3 meter. Ground floor to first floor. Simply drag this 1 by 1 meter column size. Now here we give the column height, first of column. Now this column height we required a full length 3.3 meter. Check once all formulas link with the floor to floor height 3.3 meter. Yes. We don't require bottom 300 mm length, horizontal length is 0. Vertical length, remove the cover, take a clear height and one lap. This is a lap 36D. D5 is the 36 and the N35 is the diameter of bar. Here we take the full length of column and 36D. Divided by 1000 due to diameter in 25 mm. Now delete the stub column details. This is a standard format for the typical floor column quantity takeoff. Suppose if two different types of bar also introduced, for example diameter of bar 25 mm and 20 mm, number of just drag the formula, give the link. Okay, here we get the quantity of concrete, diameter wise reinforcement, total weight and diameter wise reinforcement. Here now shuttering quantity, number of column both sides of column and floor to floor height. Let's take it the formula 2 times both sides of length. Thank you very much, friends. Please complete this exercise and mold the Excel format to your specification or in accordance with the consultant drawings. This task is one-time endeavor throughout your entire professional career.